I can already hear the excuses. We're about almost 2 weeks out to the big fight, Terence Crawford, Canelo Alvarez. And leading up to the point we are at now, we have gotten so many channels that was out here just straight disrespecting this man, Terence Crawford. Manager Marty and Fanon Boxing, they led the charge. They're the main culprits. Fanon got slapped with a cease and desist letter. Serves him right, literally. But there have been other channels doing it too. Some of them were low key insinuating it. Others were just straight blatantly saying it. But nonetheless, all of them were saying it, and none of them had proof at all. And some of them were just going along to get along for clicks and views, They believe that Bud he looks way too big, and he's fooling these people. He's fooling them. He looks too big for his weight. What are you talking about? He has to gain weight. People sometimes be wondering, we're like, damn, dude, do they understand boxing? But wait for the excuses. When Terence Crawford, I know this, I said when he smokes Canelo, because I believe he will. I'm not too sure about a knockout. A lot of people are leaning towards a stoppage. But the reason why a lot of people doubt Terence Crawford can stop Canelo is because Canelo's never been stopped. Canelo does have a pretty much granite chin, but y'all know how I feel about chins. People that have chins have been stopped because they've been hit so many times, because obviously the very thing that they're noted for is the same thing that is their demise at the same time. So it's like a gift and a curse, right? Like, you have a good chin, you could take a good punch, but at the same time, you can take a good punch, so you don't mind getting hit, and then over time, that shit'll fucking break you down and crack that chin open. So that's the thing, the downside. A lot of people would have good chins. Lots of times they don't mind walking through people's punches, or they don't have a lot of defense. You remember Adam Kalinowski from BK? Shout out to Adam Kalinowski. I think he's probably done right now. He was a heavyweight babyface. That's what they called him. And his defense was his face. He would get punched on in every damn fight. He had decent punching power, but he had no real, as far as boxing is concerned, or, heavyweight standards, he wasn't very skillful at all, really. He had his own little set of, everybody got their own thing, though. I'm not going to take nothing away from him. He was to get where he had to get, he had to have some kind of a skill. But he was getting knocked on every fight. And then he fought Robert Helenius. And I think they had how many fights? Shit, man. I think they only had 2 fights, right? The first fight, I think he got stopped in both fights, right? I think Robert Helenius stopped him both times. He was taking a lot of damage. So, Canelo, he's obviously more skilled than Adam Kalinowski, but, Canelo's lately, he's been getting tagged a lot, punched on. And when Bud beats him, Lord, if he knocks him out, man, you know what's coming. You know the whole thing, snackety, snack. Bud, there's no way Bud could have did that. There's no way nobody else was able to knock him out. Never mind that, there's a thing called an anomaly where somebody could be really just that one, that anointed one. He could be really that special to knock somebody out that's never been knocked out. Is that too, the thought, is it so hard to fathom the thought? We have a few anomalies in boxing. Deontay Wilder was one of them to me. He had incredible, raw, God-gifted power. You know what I mean? And I think Bud is an anomaly too. Yes, he is. I think Terence Crawford is one of them. And we're going to find out. But then if he doesn't knock him out, but he just looks good for 12 rounds. Embarrasses Canelo for 12 rounds. Oh, he snacked up. Sniggity snack. You'll see. There was no way he'll be able to. How could he do all of that moving around for 12 rounds at this weight? Watch. You'll see. You're going to see the excuses, especially the snack ones. from the snack obsessed channels like Farty Marty, or Manager Marty, whatever his name is, and Fagnon. But just be ready for it, folks. Be ready for the slander campaign against Terence Crawford when he beats Canelo. It doesn't matter how he beats him. It's going to be a lot of backlash, and there's going to be a lot of accusations. The accusations are going to ramp up. The people are going to be mad and in their feelings. If he gets knocked out, if he knocks Canelo out, it's going to be even worse for Terence Crawford on that aspect. They go, oh yeah, there's no way. Or the gloves. Don't forget about the gloves. Hopefully, when he's in between rounds, Bo Mac makes we can make sure Bo Mac don't rub any sleep serum on Terence Crawford's gloves. Let's just make sure. I hope he doesn't. Hey Bo Mac, if you're listening, please, brother, don't rub no more sleep serum on Terence Crawford's gloves. Please don't do it, bro. But anyway, let me know what you think, man. This your boy, Rebel Life Boxing. Drop them comments. Talk to me. And I'll catch y'all later.